Hi children, let us continue our ICT class. Okay, look here children, we prepared that what daily mean temperature and its rounded value also we find out. Round function also you studied. Next you want to study activity 6.4, if function to categorize the data. Categorizing means what children? We want to separate the data. Okay, how? If we are thinking that if the daily mean temperature is greater than 25, it is a hot climate, and less than that it is a cool climate. According to that we want to categorize this data. For that purpose we need if function. Okay, if is a function. Look here children, this brackets is indicating that it is a function, if function. From where we will take it children? From function wizard let us take if function. Okay, before that we want to understand what is if function. If function means according to the meaning it is if children. If means what? അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ അല്ലേ, ലൈക്ക് ദാറ്റ്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? അതായത് 25 കൂടുതലാണെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് സംഭവിക്കും? If it is greater than 25, what will happen? Otherwise what will happen? Like that one condition is given here. It is a conditional statement. Okay, let us do that. Function wizard, write the if. Okay, if we typed, then we got if function. Look here children, if test then value, otherwise value. Okay, test means specifies a logical test to be performed. We needs to give a logical test. Okay, I take here next, I click here next button, then it is we got here 3 places for giving the different categories of values and test. Okay, look here, test what we need to give in your textbook, that is given in activity 6.4, F2 greater than 25. What is the meaning of F2? Here F2 is in rounded, that means daily mean temperature is rounded in F2. Okay, that is why we can take it, click here this cell address F2. Okay, F2 greater than 25, we need to give the greater than symbol and we need to type 25. After that if it is greater than 25, what needs to be happen children? It needs to be happened hot climate. It is need to be right there, hot climate. Hot climate. Okay, hot climate. Then double quotes close. Then after otherwise, if that is not satisfying this condition, what needs to be do? We needs to be give cool climate. Okay, cool climate. Cool climate. Cool climate I write there children. Look there, climate full capital letter. Okay, capital climate, cool climate. We need to change this H and C as for hot H and C as capital. No need the also for showing it as neatly and give there for climate in capital letter. Otherwise nothing will happen children, no problem. So we can give it like that way. Here one more mistake is here, we need to give always starting it is a text data, that is why double quotes. If this is a number we don't want to give actually. Do you see here hot climate come? Okay, hot climate. Then click on what children? Okay, do you see now hot climate? It is the value is 31, therefore hot climate. Let us copy the formula children. Look here, hot climate, cool climate, hot climate, hot climate. Less than where 25 is not less than, then also that is cool climate. Let us copy completely. Okay, all of them got up to 51, 52 we got hot climate, all of them have cool climate. Look, less than 25 cool climate. Look here, 19 cool climate. Like this we got. Okay children, do you understand that how we are finding this? Look here, if condition, then hot climate, after that cool climate. That means what? If condition, if it is greater than 25, then if that is true, we got a climate, hot climate. Otherwise we will get a cool climate. In this type of if condition we are giving only two values children. Then more than that how we will get, we know that here the temperature is varied according to I think up to 31, from 19 or 15, that is 15 also here, less for that is 15. Then look here children, we need to categorize this in three categories. That means in your textbook that is saying up to 20 Celsius degree Celsius it is needed to be what, cool climate, and from 20 to 30 we need to categorize it as moderate climate, and above that 30 we need to make as hot climate. For that what we use? We can use lookup chart or lookup function. Okay, before finding them, before going to the function wizard, we need to prepare first what children? Lookup chart. This is known as lookup chart. Okay, I prepared that before. In our textbook figure 6.5 showing the lookup chart children. What is this lookup chart means? We gave the values according to that. Up to 0 to 20 we gave a cool climate, and 20 to 30 we will get a moderate climate. From 30 above we will get a hot climate. Children, you understand that while we are preparing lookup chart, we always needs to write the less value or the least value first. Then it will take from the last value to the next value up to this range. That means 0 to 19 it will take as cool climate. After that from 20 to 29 it will take as moderate climate. After 30, if that is 100, 200, 300 anyway, it will take as hot climate. Okay children, do you understand? This way, if you want to prepare your mark list 90%, 80%, A plus A, B plus B, like that also we can prepare this way using lookup chart children. Okay, then let us see now this one, how we can prepare it, how we can find out the cool climate model. These three categories using lookup. Okay, let us see. Children, you understand that after preparing this lookup chart, we need to name them. For that, data define range. Select the range. After that, data define range. Do you understand children? Here I gave one name CL. Okay, one name I gave here CL. Do you understand children? CL. That is, you can see here. Click on OK. CL is added here. Next, let us go, and climate is given in your textbook. Let us change that as climate also. Okay, data define range CL. I am going to delete. Okay, we want to delete this. Then I am giving that climate is given in your textbook. Climate. Okay. How is the climate given? First capital letter given. Don't want that. If I forgot to give a capital letter, that will not work children. That is why. Okay, look here. what is the cell range O4 to P6? Is it O4 to P6? Okay, then that will add here. Do you understand, children? That is added here, and click on OK. Next, go back to the function design. What we need to take a lookup. Okay, lookup. Then next, search criteria. Search criteria, what, children? We are searching about the rounded daily mean temperature. According to that, we are preparing our conditions. F2. Then what we need to search? We need to search vector. We gave the name, okay, of this range. Okay, there what we gave? Climate we gave, isn't it? Correctly the spelling needs to give, children. Then at that moment itself we got the result, children. Look, result is here, hot climate. Do you see that? Hot climate got. Look here, look up, bracket open, F2, comma, climate. Then we got the answer, hot climate. Look here, children, hot climate we got. Next, let us copy this. Look here, children, this is not copied. The condition is not copied. Okay, condition also completely copied. Look here, children, now what is the difference? Hot climate, cold climate, moderate climate. Do you understand? Now it is the moderate climate. Which one? 25, in between 20 to 30 is the moderate climate. Look here, hot climate. Hot climate is moderate climate. Why? It is in between 20 and 30. Look here. Next, moderate climate. Next, cool climate. Below 60 is cool, in both of that cool climate. Then here cool climate. Here 15 below cool climate. Cool climate. Then hot climate, where cool climate. Below 20 is cool climate, isn't it? Hot climate is above 30. Look here, children, hot climate, moderate climate, because in between 25 and 20 it is 28. Isn't it, children? Now it is categorized into 3, children. Okay, this is the lookup chart. Okay, in the result vector what we gave, all of you read the textbook also if you don't understand. Okay, next is classifying the data according to, we got different categories here that we need to categorize. That means which are the places for in moderate climate, in which are the places have hot climate, etc. we need to find out. For that we need to add filtering here, children. Classifying the data from where? From data auto filter. Do you see here? Data auto filter. Okay, do you see here now? Filter points here, children. These are the filter points, children. Look here. Okay, if we need to filter it, we need only cool climate from here. If you need, you can take a cool climate. Otherwise, click on OK. Look here, all the cool climates we got according to if condition. If we need according to lookup, we can take that way also. Okay, anyway we can take, children. Click on all and click on OK to get all that. Do you see? Now the color is not changed. When we take the filtering, then the color is changed into a blue. After that, click on all and you will get all that. Filtering. This way we are find out in children who got full A plus, who are the persons, how many persons who got full A plus, those who failed, etc. we are finding in this way, children, by filtering. Okay, look here. If we need daily mean temperature is showing in your textbook, daily mean temperature, those who have 25, we need others don't want. Then daily mean temperature 25 only we need to activate, others we need to off. Okay, 24, 25 also we need only 20. So this also we need. We need only 25 children. Okay. Then click on OK. Do you see this what? This is 23. How it is came? 23 also I am not top. That is why. Yes, 23 also I am not of children. That is why children. Otherwise 25 only will be there. Of that. Okay. When I do at that time that is happened. Look here now. Only 25 you can see here, 2 persons only. In rounded how many 25? Let us see. Click on all here and click on OK. Then in rounded sometimes 24.5 also we will get as 25. Let us off all others. Isn't it? Okay. All others we need to avoid. Click on OK. Look here. Now we have 3 25 numbers because 24.5 also become 25. That is why we got a 325 daily mean temperatures are here. We have a cool climate in if condition and moderate climate in which children? In lookup. Okay. Is it clear all of you? Now you can see here one of the blue color. Click on OK to get all children. All want to select and click on OK. Is it clear now? Now this way you can categorize this data children. Is it clear now? If you needs to paste anywhere who have the hot climate and moderate climate etc. also you can see by copy and paste children. Next one children, what is here is paste special. Look here now, you can see the formulas in every cell, isn't it? Every cell where we find out the round, average etc. You can see the formulas in the formula bar. Look here, average, round, then somewhere, some not, average and round only we have. Then functions also you can see here in each and every cell. Let us simply copy up to, simply I am copying up to this. Okay, copy. Then in sheet 2 or sheet 3 I am pasting here children using paste special. Paste special, look here, paste special. Text and numbers want to activate and click on OK. Look here children, what is happened? Let us little more make it bigger. Okay, what is this sir? We need to format row height little more. Okay, do you see now? Bold we can, let us do bold and 14. Is it clear now? Do you understand children? Now we copied and pasted here the lookup function result and a function result etc. Nothing is happened here. Why? No error or error message or anything come. Why? We take and copy. Look here, or climate only. Look here, no formula. Look here, only text and data here. Look here, no formula. Do you see now? No formula, daily mean temperature or round or anything is not here. A function or anything is not here. Only text and number. This is known as paste special because if we need only the data, you can paste this way children. Okay children? Okay. Next is what children? Protecting. It is needed to export. Let us export the first sheet. If you click the plus button, you will get the sheets children. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets here. In sheet 1 ours original data. Okay. This is the data which have the filter. Okay. Now let us off this filter. After the use we needs to off the filter children. Click anywhere and the data auto filter off. Now that is lost. Okay, we don't want that always there. That is not nice also. Something will happen if you click anywhere that you will lost sometimes. Okay, then let us export it. File, export as PDF. Okay, file export as PDF. Then export. For what purpose we are exporting it as PDF, children? For exporting it as PDF. Why? Because we can see it as in the symbol in the form of a PDF file. Look here, it is the PDF file of that. Is it clear? Okay, that's completely not in this range because it is a little more bigger. That is the only daily mean temperature we got. More than that is not in this sheet. If we adjust the sheet space, we will get it completely. Is it, children? Look here, it is a PDF file, not a sheet. Anywhere we can open it. Nobody can make changes also. Okay, can't edit it. These are the specialities of the PDF. Look here now. This is the PDF file and this is the temperature 2.ods also. This is our Excel file. Sorry, calc file. Look here, that is this. Here we can make changes and do anything. Okay, this is the calc file. Next one is that we need to protect our file, children. Look here how data. No, not in data. Tools menu. From tools menu we will get protect sheet. Look here, children. Select protected cells. Select unprotected cells. All that needs to select. After that we need to give a password. I am simply giving password for you. Okay, password. Then password once more we want. For confirmation also we need. Then click on OK. Okay, save it and protect it. Itself. Look here, children, protected cells cannot be modified. Okay, anywhere if I am clicking, it will be happening. Protected sheets cannot be modified. Then what we will do? We need to once more take after closing. Nobody can make changes. Okay, save the changes and close it. Now temperature to I1 needs to open. Look here, children, that is opening. If anybody take and make any changes there, what will happen? No, it is not accepting that changes. Therefore, we need to take tools, protect sheet and give the password for that. Password correctly. Now you can change it, children. You can write there anything. Okay, now you can make changes or writing anything there. Is it clear now? Okay, I think all of you understand. This much only in your textbook. Is it clear? Okay, yes. Let us conclude. This chapter is over, children. I will take you more classes because we need to complete the chapters. 3 more chapters also we have. Therefore, I will take you more classes, children. In 1 week, 2 classes I think 2 classes needs to submit. Okay.